If you hire dedicated Laravel developers, they will tell you how important it is to be familiar with Laravel's Array Helpers. These built-in utility functions speed up and simplify the development process, making them essential tools for any developer working with Laravel. Laravel is an open-source PHP framework developed by Taylor Otwell. It follows the Model View Controller, or MVC, architectural pattern, which helps in creating clear and maintainable code. Laravel is built with Symfony, another MVC framework, and is influenced by CodeIgniter, Ruby on Rails, and ASP.NET MVC. Laravel's official website claims it is the framework of choice for web artisans, supported by its elegant syntax and the Laravel code available on GitHub. Laravel encourages developers to enjoy the development process because happy coders make the best code, making it a compelling choice for web development. The Laravel framework includes a variety of helper functions to ease the workflow process. These include elements such as string, path, and URL helpers. These functions enhance the development process by eliminating repetitive writing. Let's discuss some of the top Laravel helper functions and their available methods. The data_get function helps determine the value of an array or object using dot notation. This function is incredibly useful as it does not require checking the variables you've been using. It returns the results with the same syntax, making it one of the most useful Laravel helpers. Stanter_plural converts a single string of characters to its plural form. Developers can use a second or optional parameter to switch between singular and plural forms. This helper function logically interprets and executes the plural function within the boundaries of the English language, identifying and treating uncountable nouns accordingly. Root.php is used to create a secure and simple URL. The root function takes it further by generating URLs containing routes with specific names using the string method. If you don't add an extra parameter to a root, Laravel will try to match the attribute with an equivalent one. The abort_if function is essential to stop the execution of an application if a certain condition is met. This function is particularly useful in scenarios like stopping the application in case of a credit card or subscription expiry, ensuring that the application behaves as expected under specific conditions. The optional function, introduced in Laravel version 5.5, helps developers figure out object properties. Before optional, an object with undefined properties would throw an error. Now, developers can ignore the error with optional, replacing it with a null value if the object doesn't have the specified property. The array_dot function combines the functionality of the array with the benefits of dot notation. This function helps streamline the different levels of an array to a single unique form, making data management more efficient and straightforward. Array_get extends array functionality to include sorting, managing data, and retrieving it. This function can track back data from a deeply nested array. If the key element is absent, it allows for a third optional parameter to be added as the default value. Laravel's array helpers are invaluable tools that simplify and speed up the development process. By familiarizing yourself with these functions, you can enhance your workflow and create more efficient, maintainable code. Embrace these helpers to make the most out of your Laravel development experience.